Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut templates into your PC by using CapCut. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to come over Google Chrome and then come over this search option over here and search for CapCut template. Click on that, and after that clicking on it, you will get this kind of interface over here. So here you can see there are a lot of template. If you click on this template section in the left side, you will be accessible with all the templates. So if you want to going to choose this one, click on that and click on use this template. And here you can see this is the template over here. So if you click on that, you can change any of pictures. If you want to give this picture on it or any of picture you want to give, you can do it. And you can edit video or any of templates, whatever you want. So this is how you can use CapCut template into your PC by using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.